Hey there. We're at home, and we is myself and my roommate Jizna. Um, Obviously, Jizna and I didn't grow up in the same family. We're roommates, and and I often get to live with people from all over the world. And one of the things you should do, if you get that opportunity, is share recipes because it's the best. And
Yeah.
and so today you're going to teach me how to make
Tea.
and which we also call
Chaya.
Chaya. Chaya. Oh wow! I just say chai. Do it right. What part?
Chai, usually North Indians will say chai.
Mhm.
I'm from the South India, so we say it chaya.
Okay,
Yeah.
so Northerners are chai, Southerners are chaya. We're doing it right. We're in the hood with Southern India today. I know it's sort of I'm being cheesy. I'm excited. So why don't you just begin and show me how you make
sure.
chaya?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So let's begin with water. We'll
All
put
right.
how much water you want.
So that looks like about a cup of water.
Yeah. I think I'm going to make two cups.
For both of us?
Yeah.
That sounds good. And we've got it on high.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we can put some tea powder. This is the Lowe's tea powder. I always use this one and I like this one.
Now this one, you had brought some from home, but
Yeah.
this is also, I think you got this from a big supermarket that had an international
Yes.
set. Okay,
Yeah.
so
There are so many
they're pretty
variety
easy. Yeah.
brands.
Yeah,
So I used to take the stronger ones
Mhm.
usually.
Yeah.
So yeah. And we can put how much our powder we
probably
want
about
according
2.
to our taste.
yeah,
If you need some strong chaya, then you can put a little bit extra powder.
yeah,
Otherwise, you can just put a little.
yep.
Yeah.
A little,
I just put,
see? She
Yeah.
just says the same measurements as me. That looked like about 2 teaspoonfuls.
Yeah, 1.5.
One and
maybe.
a half?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. So this is just a regular kitchen spoon,
Mm-hmm.
one of the smaller kinds. That's our scientific measure for today.
Okay. So now we have to wait to boil this one.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah.
And
if
you
it
don't
boils,
put,
then we will get more flavor.
right.
Yeah.
And
So
there's
that's
other things like you've got cardamom here and ginger.
Mhm.
Do you put those in early
Yeah.
or later?
We actually put now
Okay.
at the beginning. So I
I'll
just
get a little
wanted to.
board.
Okay. Yeah.
There you go.
So I'll just take a small piece of ginger
Great.
and I'll just crush it.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's probably about a teaspoon
Yeah.
full.
Yeah. And we can put 1 or 2 cardamoms.
Okay.
The opened ones will be good.
Oh, so you like kind of crush them with your
Yeah,
hand?
yeah.
Okay.
If it is crushed, we'll get more flavor.
Right. We do that with garlic.
Yeah. So we don't have to remove the shell. We
Okay.
can just put it like that. And
Okay.
at the end, we can just strain it.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Good. It's a little extra.
Mm-hmm.
Yay.
So we are just waiting to boil.
Okay. So now this is when we sing a song or something. Or tell a joke from India. I don't know. Do you have a tea story, a funny tea story? Growing up, or well, who taught you how to make tea or chaya? I'm calling
my
it
mom.
tea. Your mom?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tea, we actually drink at least 2 times in a day.
Yes.
I think almost all the people from our place,
Yeah.
I think maybe all the Indians will drink 2 times a tea.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's common than the coffee.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. How old were you? Because I know there's caffeine in this. How
Mm-hmm.
old were you when you first had chaya? Do you remember? Or do you just
From
little?
my childhood.
You're always having some.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
From my childhood.
That's wonderful. Yay. And it's getting warm.
Yeah. We'll just wait for boiling.
It's kind of peaceful too to prepare it this way.
Yeah.
It's like I see you in the morning when you're sleepy. She doesn't talk too much. She just.
Yeah.
And Jisna's not an actress, unlike a lot of my friends. She is in school right now. So in
Yeah.
India, you were already in medicine.
Naturopathy doctor.
Natural.
Naturopathic.
Say that again.
Naturopathic.
Birth. It was naturopathic.
Yeah.
Naturopathic doctor.
Yes.
And you were working with newborns, right? Or did I get that wrong?
No.
No.
It's actually for everybody.
Yes.
It's natural medicine. Other than
Yeah.
we are using the natural medicines, not any kinds of medicine.
No drugs, the commercial drugs,
Yeah.
right?
So
And so-
it's boiling.
Okay, yay.
So we will just reduce the heat to
Okay.
low.
Good.
Then now we can put the milk. So
So
I
this
usually
is just
take.
cow milk here. We've got 2%.
Mhm. So I actually take the milk.
Mm-hmm.
If I'm making 2 cups of tea, I will put 1 cup water and 1 cup milk.
Yeah.
We can change it according to the person's
Yeah.
needs. If
Yeah.
you don't like milk too much, you can just put little bit
Yeah.
and you can add more water.
Great.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and it will give more strong flavor.
Yeah.
If you put little bit extra milk, the strongness will reduce a bit.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. So just like regular black tea, if you want it milky, go for it. If you want less, you'll have a stronger tea.
Okay. So I'm gonna increase it a bit, not
Okay.
high. Let it boil
Sort
for
of
some more time.
Medium high.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I noticed you haven't put sugar in yet.
No.
Just all of the tea and the spices, I guess.
Yes. Yeah.
I don't know, ginger. Ginger's a root. Cardamom is a, what would we call it? Is it a spice? It's a
Yeah,
spice.
it's a spice.
Yeah. I got a BA. I don't know everything. I can tell you stories. And so now you're training here in Canada so that you can continue in the medical field.
Yes.
So that's why we're roommates, because she's saving money and I'm building businesses. So we're both and trying to act in things. So here we are, getting to do Chaya. So this is wonderful. Or Tia. And she's rocking the PJ pants. I just have to say, because we are at home, and so I was gonna put mine on too, but I was advised not to. These are better. So you've got the real at-home thing going on.
Yeah.
So yeah. And it just snowed here too, so we're ready for this drink today. So our first week of snow. When you arrived last September, you got snow right away.
Yes.
So this is better to have
This is
snow
better.
late October. So. Yay. So it's coming to a boil almost.
Yeah,
Not quite.
almost.
Yeah. So I noticed you're stirring it. So
Yeah, because if I don't stir it, it will boil fast. Then the milk won't cook much.
Right.
So I just want it to become more cooked.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm just stirring it. So
And it
that
probably
it
doesn't
won't-
keep it from sticking to the bottom.
Yeah.
All of that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to be careful with milk. It can you can't just leave it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think this will be good.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can see she's got it perfect. There's a little bit of bubbling happening, so we know it's coming to a boil.
Yeah.
But she's babied it, so it's not burning or,
Oh yeah.
yeah.
Now.
Yeah, there's that little bubbling, so you know we've reached the boiling point. That's what you're looking for. And look at that nummy, foamy surface. So I'm excited. Okay.
Now let's stir it. I'm just filtering it.
Wonderful. I can get you a little plate for that. For the filter or the sieve. Oh, that looks good. Hey, oh, you got it. You're way ahead of me.
I usually put the sugar at the end.
Yeah.
Yeah. How many spoons you want?
I'll do one.
Okay.
Thank you. And we have to say Jizna's tea stash is actually in a yogurt container. We made it look pretty in the dish, but and just keeping some name brands off. But she's just somewhere dry to store the tea. Right?
Yeah.
This is wonderful. Yay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is exciting. Okay, the camera wants a sip too. Yes, I will make sure camera gets a sip.
Yeah.
I like trying to understand. Okay, this looks glorious. It smells right. This smells right. I'm a very, very happy girl. Okay, we have to say cheers. We have to do this. I know it's not beer,
Okay,
but
cheers.
cheers. Oh, that's really good. And I can taste the difference with the ginger.
Yeah.
Because I've had yours before. It was really good, but there's a little more depth when you
Yeah.
got your ginger. Yeah.
I just boiled it for more time, right?
Right,
Yeah.
right. That's right. A little longer when you add these. So you can do it without the ginger and the cardamom.
If you want to make it a fast, within 2 minutes, you don't have to put the ginger and cardamom.
Okay.
If you want a really flavorful chaya,
Mm-hmm.
then you can put these things and you will get a really good one.
Yes, it's really good. So you did maybe 2 or 3 more minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. So a little longer with the good stuff. If you're in a hurry, the other stuff, but it's not like a hurry drink like coffee anyway. It's like wake up and feel like you have a good reason to get up. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So enjoy. Now you've had your lesson, and I'm going to share this with the camera person. Have a good day. Take care.